Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Farming Simulator 26 stuck on the loading screen at 99%. If your game is freezing, not loading, or crashing on startup, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step for Android, iOS. So let's get started. Step 1. Clear cache, Android. Open Settings. Tap Apps. Select Farming Simulator 26. Tap Storage. Press Clear Cache. Now reopen the game. Step 2. Free up storage space. Make sure you have at least 5 GB to 10 GB free storage. Delete unused apps, large videos, junk files. Low storage can stop the loading process. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. Try mobile data Wi-Fi. Disable VPN. Restart your router if needed. Weak internet can freeze the game at 99%. Step 4. Disable background apps. Close apps like Discord Overlay, MSI Afterburner, GeForce Experience Overlay, Screen Recorders. These apps may conflict with the game. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, back up your save or account. Uninstall Farming Simulator 26. Restart device. Install the game again. Step 6. Restart your device. Android, iPhone. Close Farming Simulator 26 completely. Restart your phone. Open the game again. So that's how you fix Farming Simulator 26 stuck on the loading screen at 99%. I hope this guide helped you solve the problem quickly. If it worked for you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.